Okay, friends, let's solve this simple Olympiad question. In this kind of question, what we'll have to do is to make the variables be one side, that's this power t, to come to this side, while this 32 comes to this side. So we therefore can do that. Whenever you want to remove the power of a number, you raise that number to the power of the reciprocal of the original power. So as it is t here, we'll raise it to the power of 1 over t. But we are going to also do that to this other side, so that our equation remains the same. So if that is done, this t we cancel this t and we'll have 2 here equals t raised to power 1 over t. Of course, we can bring out this 32, and to take this 32 to this side, we raise both sides also to 1 over 32. Raise this also to 1 over 32, so that this 32 will eliminate this 32. Therefore now have 2 raised to power 1 over 32 is equal to t raised to power 1 over t. So we have succeeded in bringing 2 to one side and then the numbers to the other side. But what we have not done is that if we say that this t is true, then the t up here is 32, which is not true. So whatever the t here is as the base should be what the t of the power would be, because t is t, and so this number here should as well be the same as this number. So in this case, what we will now do is that we will now be solving the left hand side, because this already has been settled. The right hand side has been settled. So what do we do? So one can say that 2 raised to power 1 over 32 can be raised to power, say, 2 over 2. If you raise this to power 2 over 2, 2 over 2 is 1, so nothing has changed. So we have t raised to power 1 over t, and then these 2, we increase this to 64, and these 2 will be a power to this. So we can write this as 2 raised to power, this is 2 times 1 over 2. This 2 will be 2 raised to power 2, and then raised to power 1 over 32 times 2, because this is 1 over 2. This 2 is denominator, so it multiplies this 32, and this 2 numerator will be power to this 2. So we have t raised to power 1 over t, and then we have 2 raised to power 2 is 4, raised to power this time around 32 times 2 is 1 over 64, and it's still not the same, equal to t raised to power 1 over t. We can still multiply again by 2 over 2, the power of 4. So 4 raised to power of 2 is 16, and 2 times 64 will give us 128. This is equal to t raised to power 1 over 2t. We'll go again, multiply both sides, the power by 2 over 2, and then this 2 again will be the power of this 16. 16 raised to power of 2 will give us 256. Raised to power of 2 times 128 will give us 1 over 256 is equal to t raised to power 1 over t. So if we look at this 2, at the left hand side we have the base to be 256 raised to power 1 over 256, and at the right hand side we have the base to be t raised to power 1 over t. Therefore t is equal to 256, and that is it.